Picture this. You're digging through your loose change and pull out a 1980 UK 50 pence Britannia, a hefty, seven-sided gem from the days before it got slimmed down. You think it's worth 50p? Think again. This coin could be hiding in plain sight and turning into a small fortune if it's in top condition, still gleaming as it left the Royal Mint nearly 45 years ago. Today, we're uncovering why this seemingly ordinary coin might just be your next big surprise, possibly worth £5, £50, or even more, depending on where it's been hiding. Most 1980 Britannias in everyday wear are still worth face value, around 50p. But if they're in exceptional shape, you could be looking at around £1 to £3. That's just the beginning. Brilliant uncirculated versions in perfect, mint-fresh condition can fetch £5 to £10. Proof coins, those made with ultra-cameo mirror surfaces, are rarer and far more desirable. They can fetch anywhere from £12 to £85, depending on the grading and the market. And if you're lucky enough to have one graded at the highest level, the price goes up even more. Then there's the real jackpot, rare errors and graded rarities. Mistake coins can be where fortunes lie. Error 50p coins have sold for hundreds to thousands of pounds, like that Gibraltar Christmas 50p mule that went for £4,500. While 1980 Britannias don't famously have massive errors, any strike misalignment, planchet flaw, or double die could bump its value hugely, turning just 50p into £100 or even £1,000 plus if authenticated and auctioned. That's no exaggeration. It's happened before. And don't forget, brilliant uncirculated 1980 Britannias often go for £5 to £10, but proof quality can fetch up to £85, or more if graded at the highest levels. These aren't rare coins by mintage, but condition is everything. A coin that's been sitting untouched in a presentation set for 4 decades is a totally different story from one that's bounced around in change jars for years. Here are some real-world examples. A proof 67 Ultra Cameo 1980 50p sold for around £85 on eBay from a collector in Belfast. Cambridgeshire Coins is listing 1980 proof Britannias at £12, showing conservative pricing, but plenty of potential upside if your coin's in even better shape. BU versions at coin valuation sites typically show about £5 for top-tier coins. That's good news for anyone who's had one stashed in a drawer since the 80s. Grades make the difference. A good, grade coin is worn and not really worth more than face value. Fine F might get you £1 if you're lucky, but very fine VF to extremely fine EF push into the £1 to £3 range. Uncirculated coins move into £5 to £10 territory. Brilliant uncirculated? Expect £10 plus, especially with buyers who care about luster. Proof coins typically start at £12 and go up depending on the finish. A proof-graded PF 68 Ultra Cameo could be worth £80 to £100 plus, especially if it's slabbed and certified by a top-tier service like NGC. Certification is where the serious collectors start opening their wallets. A slab coin from a recognized service like PCGS or NGC not only looks official, it builds trust. It means your coin's value is backed by professionals. It's not just shiny anymore. It's authenticated, sealed, and numbered. And yes, that bump can mean real money. A raw proof might fetch £50. The same coin, graded PF 68 or PF 69, might land well over £100. Though rare in the Britannia series, error coins are out there. Keep an eye out for strike errors like off-center designs, doubling, or die cracks. Flawed planchets, such as clips or laminations, can be surprisingly valuable. And if by some freak chance a mule coin appears with mismatched obverse and reverse, you could be looking at a life-changing find. That's what happened with the £4,500 Gibraltar 50p. The lesson? Always inspect your coins. So, how do you check if you're sitting on a fortune? Grab a magnifier. Inspect the edges, the date, the portrait, Britannia's detailing. Check for mirror surfaces. Brilliant shine suggests a BU or proof. Feel the heft. These older large 50 PS feel sturdy and solid. Look for oddities, misalignments, edge errors, extra metal. Compare your coin to trusted images online, including from Coin Hunter, Change Checker, and recent auction sales. If your coin looks sharp and clean, it may be worth grading. That small investment could turn a 12-pound coin into a 100 pounds plus gem. So next time you juggle your change, look out for that polished 1980 50p Britannia. It's more than just a nostalgic memento. It's a potential jackpot coin. A BU or proof might fetch 10, even hundreds of pounds. And if you strike gold with an error coin, that's where ordinary becomes extraordinary. Your pocket change could literally finance your next holiday or more. Give your 50 PA spotlight. You just might have struck hidden treasure.